So what's the 2026 goal? Like by the end of the year, where do you want to be with your home automation? Or are you at the point where you're like, it's good, I don't want to
No,
touch it,
no,
which
no,
is
no. I
perfectly
want to
valid too.
expand it. Actually, it's one of these things. I kind of go in fits and starts. So, because I did, last year was a little eventful. I switched. I got rid of Node Red, and so that was a lot of effort to get all that stuff out and to have it work. Actually, in the end, work better, but to work as well to start with, and I've kind of optimized a lot of my automations so they're a little easier to manage now. And I would say probably, I've got some stupid things that I want to do. Like I've got upstairs, I've got a man cave. I got a couple TVs up there. I've got these track lighting that are all smart. It's let's see, there's two track lights and they've got six smart bulbs each, so they're all running ESPHome RGB bulbs. And so what I want to do right now, I just go up there and I've got this smart switch that I can set a couple different scenes with them on. But what I want to do is there's an ESPN integration. I don't know if you've seen this or not. And it'll trigger like when you can tell it, hey, I'm a Saints fan or whatever your team is, and when they score, it'll trigger an automatic. It'll trigger an event in Home Assistant. And so I want to do something like make the lights flash or something like that.
Yeah. It's back in the day they used to have I don't know if you guys had them in the US, but I think it was like one of the beer companies, like whatever, Budweiser, one of those. They had the little, it might have been Molson, but they had the little bulbs that went
Yeah,
off when your team scored, right?
yeah.
And it's
Well,
same kind of deal.
I've seen some things where like hockey fans that they'll have like a goal in their man cave, and they have lights and like a steam on it. So when the goal's scored for their team, it just
It's
blows
just all,
smoke and lights are flashing and
Wow.
stuff. It looks kind of cool. So
yeah.
yeah, just like they would do at the game, right? So
Yeah, totally.
so
Which
so
is
there's
awesome.
that. I think the power thing probably be one of my bigger things is I want to get the clamps on my main board so that I can start getting the whole house power and start getting an idea of what that's like, and then maybe put some plugs on the bigger appliances and stuff so that I can get some power monitoring. But
Yeah.
Use that energy
cool.
dashboard for all that it needs, like we can get out of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.